You guys are back. I mean, one good thing. You're back because you are here to see the class upgrade for the Rosan Assassin to make him the Rosan Slash Assassin Slash. And if you guys are wondering where I got my lovely little figures, I got them from Toy Arena. I will leave a link in the description below to their website. Yeah, this will be the last upgrade kit until the Wizard comes out, which is in October, I believe. And following this video should either be the Archer or the Lancer, so our group is almost done. So yeah, let's get these three back in position and pull out his class upgrade. A fighter. Knight. Priest. Bless you, my child. Terrible joke, I know. And let's move the camera, that way we can get them all in picture. And you guys will see the Charizard. Voila! And yes, Almighty Ducky, Howard. And then the turtles. So yeah, let's push him back. And let's open our little package as pieces go flying already. So it's simple. Get 3 swords, attachments, shin upgrade, shoulder pieces, shoulder upgrades, his horns, the single blade that's supposed to attach to his small dagger, and then these 2 pieces it says do over with. I'm gonna plug them into his forearm. So let's start cutting out pieces, and we'll go and equip him and make him more of a badass than what he is. To be honest, I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about the Wizard. I may leave him as a Wizard because I don't like the majority of his class up looks. They look ridiculous, and I don't like the fact he looks yellow. It's just infuriating that he looks yellow. There's the horns. So there's all those goodies. I don't know. I think I'm just being biased with how he looks. I don't know. You guys say what you want to say. I just don't like the way he looks. It kind of just... he's one of those ones I don't want him, but I'm getting him because he's part of the set. And yes, during the speed video for him, or the armor speed up modder did get on my desk, so there's that. Well, pain in the ass was trying to be a part of the video. She's always trying to be part of the video. She's like, Dad, I want to say hi to the people. Though, I am having issues with... Whoa! What just happened? Apparently he wanted to go take a nap on the job. Like, dude, for real? Oh great, one of his daggers went flying out of his hands. And the cats are making a mess. That scared the crap out of me. Yeah. So, as I was saying, I did pull out that piece because that white piece keeps on falling off of him. So I'm going to switch it out. I'll be right back. I need to find the pieces that went flying off the desk because our knight decided to say, I'm taking a nap right here and knock things over.
Many minutes later.
I'm back and I got all the pieces. So we're going to start with a simple one. This freaking dagger that I don't really like. It's the only one that gets this stupid weird attachment upgrade. I gotta look at the instructions again. Okay. So, from what shows in the dagger, it's supposed to go something like this. And pops together. I mean, I think it's cool. I don't think it went on correctly. No, it did. Did it? I'm not sure if that went on correctly or not. But that's what it looks like. And I don't like the fact he only gets one of these. That sets off my OCD. But yeah. Shoulder pieces. I'm not sure how these go on. I swore they just popped on somehow. I gotta look at the instructions. Okay. Okay. Now I see how they go. And I put the shoulders on wrong, apparently. So, shoulder piece. Woohoo. Maybe. I think I put them on wrong. I'm just taking off his shoulders real quick. So, in the meantime, let's pop his horns in, I guess. Just like so. I believe that's how his horns go. I could be wrong. I'm not sure if they're supposed to go this way or not. Let me look. Nope, I had it right the first time. That's how it's supposed to look. And then this little piece is supposed to go into here, like so. The other one, like so. And like I said, with these guys, I'm just a pop in back here, like that. Give him more spike and blades and stuff. So I have problems with this hand though. I'm removing a hand. I'm putting this other blade in there for now. To make him stand yet again. Kind of not working. Working, good. I need to look at the shoulders real quick. Okay. So, it's showing this piece is supposed to go right here somehow. But it's not showing exactly how. Unless it's supposed to be like that. And then I take this lovely piece and I just clip it like so. I guess that's how it's supposed to be. Hopefully my camera did not just pick up what I did. And it's supposed to go like so. And then there is this that's saying these two short little blades are supposed to go like this. And cross over on his lower back area somehow. Like that. Yeah. Something like that, I guess. Now let's re-equip that shoulder. But like so, I am going to replace that piece with this piece. The black one, since it stays on better. So, I better hurry up and do that. Or maybe not. It looks like it's now staying in place without coming up. Okay. Nope, I lied. It just popped up. What was that? Something just fell over. I don't know what it was. Yeah, so I'm just do the black. Since his white piece doesn't want to stay on his freaking neck. And now I'm trying to get the shoulder piece back on where it belongs, and it's not want to go. And we got it. Like so. Yep. just like so. And now we take this lovely hand, put that there, back of his hand, line it up, squeeze it in, there's that. And then we take the other blade, push it down. Instead of giving him that weird, awkward, I look like I'm taking a poop stance, let's give him, yeah, come at me, bro, stance. And now that hand wanted to fall off for some reason. The blade itself is falling apart. And there we go. There is our assassin with the slasher upgrade, which I actually do like. I mean, that is pretty cool. Gotta fix the back real quick where it's not all awkward. But yeah. Now that is pretty snazzy. Now let's grab the rest of our little party. Here is the fighter, our Dark Knight, our lovely Assassin Slasher, and our priest, all in one epic shot. Our party's getting a little bit bigger. Pretty soon we're gonna have a party of 6, and then 7, and yeah. This is bad. So this looks like a group of come at me, bro. A group of come at me, bro. Though the only issue I had with him now is this piece not wanting to stay down for some reason. I clipped it, I sanded it, I did everything I could, and that front part, those two pieces right there didn't want to stay. So, yeah. But here is our group so far. And this is your Roasting Venom. Just remember, hit that thumbs up, like button, subscribe button, bell icon, and please like and share and put the videos out there. I mean, I know it's not the best content, but at least I'm putting it up. And again, I want to thank Toy Arena for this whole set so far. I will leave their link in the description, and I'll leave their link in the description down below. You guys can go check them out. Get them if you want to. So, we'll see you guys next time when we have the Lancer or the Archer, and then so on. See you guys then.